Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update. And so what is going on with Solana, guys? Is Solana actually looking to go even way more down, maybe potentially again down to this level, which is going to be the $81 or the $79, to make a huge double bottom and start to go to the upside? That's something that is possible. And watch the Bitcoin update today, because Bitcoin is not looking good. It's been troubled. It is getting cornered a little bit, and so is Solana going to actually behave this way? But there's something that I want to talk about, though. For me to say Solana once again is going to start to move to the upside, potentially move to the upside, is I want you to focus on this candlestick right over here, this bearish candlestick. And if you start to take out this level, which is going to be almost nearly $109, you start to go up like this. Not even the 109, by the way. This is going to be too much. It's going to be this level, $117. Okay, so yeah, if you start to take 117, go up like this, and bounce off it like this one, then that will be amazing. Who knows, you could start to go up like this, go like this, make a left shoulder, make the head, and make the right shoulder. But I don't think that's gonna happen because of how Bitcoin is looking like at this point of time. But it's still worthy to mention that if you ever start to do that, by the end of the day, it's crypto. You don't know how things can turn out to be. That one moment you could be bearish, and the next moment you just completely start to move to the upside. Now, the thing is that there still remains a big level of support, $98, which you haven't broken out of. And it's amazing, quite amazing, that Solana is not really breaking out of it. Even though Bitcoin is losing support right now, Solana isn't really losing support at all. So what you want to see for Solana is you start to lose this level, and you close below the 98, come retest the 98, you fill the 98, and you're looking to have deeper retracements to the downside. And to me, guys, it seems like it's possible for you to come down to this level, and that's where you're going to find support again at the $77, $78 region. And from here, who knows, make a double bottom like this, nice beautiful double bottom, which tells you that this is turning out to be very bullish. And then finally you break out and go to not only to the 155, but potentially to the $180 or even $200. Okay, so be careful in this space. You don't want to trade in doubt. I'm not even trading it anymore. I'm just looking at what things are looking like on Bitcoin as well. So that's it for today's update. If you want to learn more about trading, do check out my 18 hours content of trading course. And if you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, message me on the Discord, and I'm going to tell you the procedure of how to do it. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.